Hi, this is Dr. Mike Littman. I'm a philologist, and so tonight we are here with the prep tulip students. So they're going to learn something unvoiced consonant. Okay, so we are practicing TH unvoiced consonant sound. So it's from their chapter. So we're gonna have lots of fun. So first, let me introduce you with this beautiful, breathtaking team. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Joseph.
Speak louder. Your name?
My name is Abdul.
Yours?
My name is Abdul.
What about yours?
My name is Jennifer.
Yours? What's
My
your
name
name?
is Priya.
Yours?
My name is Misha.
And my name is Mike Littman. Okay, so we are here today to practice your TH unvoiced. Alright, this is from your chapter, so we have selected this to record this beautiful podcast for lots of students because they are watching right now from the screen. Okay, so this is TH unvoiced sound. So first, let's have a practice. Okay, just open your mouth. Okay, and just choose something really hard. Okay. And now you take your tongue out. Now tongue in. Now open your arms and do with me. Okay, just shake your hands. And walk your body. And just look. Just grab it from the top corner, and now do it, okay? Like me, do it. And just push the air outside, and we can see your tissue paper is blowing. Do it. It's not, look, it's, do it. Okay, now your turn. Please come over here, right? Just look at me. Can you do it? Good job. Keep trying. Yes, your turn. Okay, not two. It's look at me, everybody. Look at me. Can you do it? Good job. Now, please, can you do it without tissue paper? Just take your tongue out. Yes, and do it. Okay. Good job. Clap for him. Clap. Okay. Can you do it, please? Yes, do it. Try. Okay, just do it. Okay. Can you please come and try? Yes, please come and try. Please come in, you guys have done great. Yes, please come forward. Yes, what's your name? Speak louder.
My name is Abdul Boy.
Of the boys, please come forward and do with me and do it for everybody. Good job. No, see. Good job. Very well done. Just give a round of applause to yourself. Well done. And everybody say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.